See, what we are seeing in Canada today, it is the worst form of vote bank politics. It is very, very shameful to see an angry, humiliated, insulated world leader single handedly destroying the beautiful relation between these two great countries, destroying the lives of so many Canadians, perhaps Indian diaspora. Why is he doing this? Because that leader wants more power. And how can you get more power? Two ways. Either you do some real work or you create fictional enemies. How can we forget about the anti-India hate that destroyed social fabric of Pakistan? Pakistan's military created a fictional enemy in the name of India. And that is exactly how they justified high salaries, increased budget, perpetual power. Today, that exact nation is with a begging bowl across the world. But the question is, who suffered? People of Pakistan, not the army generals in Pakistan. These army generals have a lot of properties in Switzerland, New York, Caribbean islands. But people in Pakistan, they do not even have food to eat. Same tactic being used by Honorable Justin Trudeau. Why? Because he wants to remain in power. And do some good work. If you do some good work, people will bring you back in power. But doing good work is very, very difficult. Not easy. Blaming foreign governments for all your internal mess, much easier. These are the people who never take ownership in life. They blame others for their failures. These are the exact kind of people that you should avoid in life. And that is why Chinese to Americans to now Indians, they are avoiding him. But do you know why Canada is making so many enemies across the world? Just look at their economy. Their worker productivity is at an all-time low. In fact, it is projected that their workers' productivity will keep on dropping for the next few years. This mess has gotten to a point where one of the richest states of Canada, Ontario, it has per capita GDP roughly on par with Alabama, one of the poorest states in the US. And when your economy stagnates, it always leads to political crisis. This is what happened in Nazi Germany when Hitler blamed Jews for German problems. This is exactly what happened in Pakistan when Pakistani generals blamed India for everything that was going wrong in Pakistan. And this is exactly what's happening in Canada when Justin Trudeau and another joker, Jagmeet Singh, blaming foreign governments for its domestic nonsense. When economy does not do well, it is bound to frustrate local population. What will these locals do? They will question their leader. But sadly, in Canada's case, many of these leaders are jokers. So this blame game will continue. Trade deal will suffer. And who knows, these jokers might come back to power again in Canada. Because the model of blaming foreign governments for domestic nonsense has worked for many countries.